studying in 6th class. Today I am going to explain about map. A map is a representation or a drawing of a earth surface according to a flat surface. It is impossible to show on a globe. There are different types. There are physical map, political map and thematic map. Physical map. There are three components of maps. They are distance, direction, symbols. Distance. The scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and distance shown on the map. For example, distance between your house and your school is 10 kilometers. If you show the 10 kilometers distance by 2 centimeters, then 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. The drawing of your earth surface is 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. When large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use large small scale map. For example, 5 centimeter on a paper shows 500 kilometers on the ground. 5 centimeters on a paper shows 500 kilometers on the ground. When small areas like villages or towns are to be shown on a paper, then we use large scale map. For example, 5 centimeter on a paper shows 500 meters on the ground. A large scale map provides more information than small scale map. Directions. There are 4 major directions. They are north, south, east, west. They are called cardinal points. Other 4 are intermediate directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. We can find out any place very accurately with the help of these directions. We can find out direction of a place with the help of a compass. It is an instrument which is used to find out directions. Now I will show the states and capitals of India. Kolkata. It is the capital of West Bengal. Chandigarh. It is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Shimla. It is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Dehradun. It is the capital of Uttarakhand. Kohima. It is the capital of Nagaland. Hyderabad. It is the capital of Telangana. Itanagar. It is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Amaravati. It is the capital of Andhra Pradesh.